Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, day number 35 of DAX functions in Power BI. Previously we have discussed 34 different DAX functions in Power BI. If you are watching our channel for the first time and if you are feeling we have missed this series of videos, not to worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description box. You can watch whenever you are getting the free time, or you can go ahead and watch it right now by clicking that link. And if you are feeling like we need to improve our video, please post your valuable feedback and comments which area we need to improve our video. We will try to improvise our video in future. So we have already dealt with 34 different functions, in which today we are going to deal with the yet another function of DAX, which is blank. We have dealt, code we have dealt. Code is now upgraded as a Unicode. Today we are going to deal with exact functions. We are requesting you to watch the video fully without skipping so that you will not miss any piece of information provided in this particular video. Let's start with the today's function of exact, how it works and how it be used in day-to-day life. So I'm creating a new column. I'm mentioning it as exact, which is equal to exact is already there in the top. Click tab. You can see checks whether two text strings are exactly same and returns true or false. Exact is a case sensitive, which means ideally exact function is used to compare the two text strings, which is like two text data, and it returns true or false. If it is matches, it is true. If it is not matching, it will be false. But it is a case sensitive. The point to be noted is a case sensitive, which means if it is caps, it should be caps. If it is small, it should be small. Let's try both examples here. So I am giving it as test, comma, test. Hit enter. So you can see the value which we got is true. Sorry. The value which we got here is true, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm changing this exact, right? Instead of T caps, T small, hit enter. It is giving false. You can see the values which is over here. It is returned as false. This is how the text exact function works. How we are going to use this in a normal function? Suppose you have a different two columns to compare the name of a players, name of a persons in the data. If you want to check whether it is true or exactly matching or not, you can use this exact functions. Hope you have understood this video clearly, and especially on this exact match function. If you have any queries in this video, please try to post your queries in our comment box, or else you can reach us through our social media platform or the link whichever we have provided down in the description box. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you for watching, and Jai Hind.